Hello, traders, and welcome back. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're diving deep into the world of day trading with our 10-day trading tips for beginners guide. If you're just starting out on this thrilling journey, stick around because these tips could be the game changer you've been searching for. Day trading can be a roller coaster, but with the right strategies, you can navigate through the ups and downs like a pro. Tip 1. Understand the basics. Our first tip is to understand the basics. Before you start, make sure you're familiar with key terms like stocks, bonds, leverage, and market orders. Knowledge is your best friend in the trading world. Tip 2. Set clear goals. Tip number 2. Set clear goals. Know your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Are you trading for short-term gains or long-term investments? Having a plan is crucial. Tip 3. Start small. Now, tip 3. Start small. Begin with a virtual trading account to practice your strategies without risking real money. It's like a trading simulator for beginners. Tip 4. Risk management. Tip 4 is all about risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose in a single trade. Establish stop-loss orders to protect your investments. Tip 5. Continuous learning. Tip 5. Never stop learning. The markets evolve, so should you. Read books, follow financial news, and consider joining trading communities. Tip 6. Emotions in check. Emotions can be your worst enemy. Tip 6. Keep your emotions in check. Avoid impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed. Tip 7. Diversify your portfolio. Tip 7. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Tip 8. Technical analysis. Tip 8. Get comfortable with technical analysis. Charts, patterns, and indicators can help you make informed decisions. Tip 9. Follow a routine. Tip 9. Follow a routine. Consistency is key. Set specific trading hours, do your research, and stick to your plan. Tip 10. Learn from mistakes. And our final tip, tip 10, learn from your mistakes. Every loss is an opportunity to grow. Keep a trading journal to track your progress. There you have it, our 10-day trading tips for beginners. Remember, trading is a journey, not a destination. Stay disciplined, stay informed, and success will follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name. We've got more exciting trading tips and strategies coming your way. Until next time, happy trading!